Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian markets were mostly higher on Tuesday, with the Japanese market rising before the outcome of the Bank of Japan's policy meeting, while Hurricane Sandy continued to add uncertainty to markets. In Asia, focus was on the Bank of Japan as the market awaited the results of the central bank's latest policy meeting. The dollar advanced slightly against the yen to 79.89 yens compared to 79.80 late in New York on Monday. Japan's Nikkei stock average was 0.4% higher ahead of the Bank of Japan's policy announcement, while individual stocks were pushed around by earnings reports. Australia's ASX 200 added 0.3%, South Korea's Kospi Composite was 0.7% higher. Markets in the US were set to close on Tuesday due to disruption caused by Hurricane Sandy, the first weather-related shutdown lasting more than 1 day since 1888, contributing to another day of low volumes in Asia. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were down 0.7%. More broadly, markets were looking ahead to manufacturing data from China and non-farm payrolls figures from the US, both due out later in the week. Trading of stocks was subdued in Hong Kong, with the Hang Seng Index flat ahead of earnings reports from major Chinese companies. The US dollar has drifted marginally higher in overnight trade as US stocks markets remain closed for a second day. In economic announcements overnight, personal spending figures which came in better than expected from the US failed to capture the attention of investors, given many are already focusing on safety concerns, as well the economic cost of Sandy. Falling to lows of 1.2884, euro area finance ministers are set to meet 3 times over the coming weeks in an attempt to fill the gap in Greece finance. Will a solution to Greece's ballooning debt appear while off even after 3 years of crisis talks? Remarkably, it still remains at the epicenter of Europe's problems. Meanwhile, this morning the euro opened weaker, currently swapping hands at 1.2901. Today we have a lot of news from Eurozone. ECB President Draghi speaks at 9 GMT, Spanish flash quarterly GDP, Italian 10-year bond auction, German unemployment change. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.